Hello, good morning. For today's video is I've got a package from INSPI or Inspire Official Store, and let's see what's inside. So let's unpack this one, guys. So they sent me their new release apparel collaboration with Inspire and Brick Shop. Here may kasama siyang sticker, guys, as you can see. So this is a round neck plain t-shirt for men and women. So I guess this is unisex. So when you check the product tag, guys, you can follow their social media accounts and you can check it here. And you can have your inquiries and orders sa mga social media accounts nila, guys. So let's check it. So they send me the jungle color, guys, but they have different colors: black, light gray, white, clay, khaki, and jungle. So they send me the medium size, guys, kasi medyo payat ako for today's video. And ang ganda ng cotton nila, guys. This is a basic cotton casual fashion Korean outfit tees. So pulido naman yung mga tahi niya, guys, and very comfy siya pag suotin. Meron siyang print dito, guys, na bricks, and it's a rubberized print kasi it's collaboration with Brick Shop. And sa likod naman niya, guys, andito yung logo ng Inspire, and rubberized din siya, guys, so solid na solid talaga to. And this is just cost like 239 pesos, guys, so very cheap lang siya and affordable. So susutin na natin kung bagay ba sa akin yung kulay and yung size na medium nila, guys. And yung gamit ko na shorts right now, guys, it's from Brick Shop din. So you can check it on the yellow basket. So I'm not gonna make it too long. So susutin na natin, guys, kung bagay ba sa akin yung jungle. So this is my favorite color sa mga available colors nila, guys. So as you can see, ang angas niya, 'di ba? Bagay siya sa color white na shorts. And pwede din siya sa mga jeans, guys. I really love this color kasi simple lang siya, guys. Minimalist lang yung print niya with bricks, and ganda, 'di ba? Lakas makaangas tsaka mga pogi yung dating. Tsaka ang linis-linis tsaka ang bango-bango ko tingnan. So guys, if you wanna order this one, just check the yellow basket below and get yours. And check out na kayo, guys. So again, that's all for my vlog, guys. See you guys again next time. Bye-bye. Peace. Love. Mwah.